HCTI Stock, Wednesday, 21st of May. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play and everything. I mean, with healthcare triangle, it's already like 1 cent. Post market is 90.96 cents. And that's crucial. That's freaking brutal. Diabolical. Like, even if I come out here with HCTI, you can see I have so many receipts. I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented the whole journey for 5 freaking years. So you can check it all out on my YouTube channel. And all I'm here to tell you is that it's still quite of a bearish market. Nothing changes the fact on that. I'm not going to sell unless the rules are met, but again, it's just a bearish range. Just melting. Can it actually pump like out of nowhere and be like a lottery ticket? Sure. But this is not the way that I'm looking for things. But stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails. It's absolutely free inside. So I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.